Okay, very soon you will all be Gainesville Middle School students at one school or the other. And when you come to the middle school next year, there are some classes that you're going to get to choose to be a part of. Band is one of those classes. And the reason we want you to come over today, we want to show you the different instruments that you could possibly play in the band. On the back of your program, there is a list of the different instruments. So as we're showing you the instruments, see if there's one you think, hey, you know what? I might like to play that. We're going to start with the Woodwind family, okay? We will start with the flutes, all right? Flutes, hold your flute up. All right, stand up. Raise your stand up. This is the flutes. Ready, flutes? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Yay, flutes. Thank you, flute. The next section in the Woodwind family is the clarinet section. Clarinet, stand up. When you join the band, everybody starts on this clarinet. Hold your clarinet up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. But there's some other clarinets in the back. Hold those clarinets up. Those are the bass clarinets. They're going to play also. Ready, clarinets? Here we go. 1 and 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Yay! Thank you, clarinet. The final section of the Woodwind family is the saxophone section. Alto saxophone, stand up and hold up your saxophone, please. In 6th grade, everybody learns to play the alto saxophone, but we have more saxophones. Tenors, Barry, stand up and show me your saxophone. So after learning the alto, these students branched out to a different instrument, but you play it the same way. Ready, saxophones? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Very nice. Thank you, saxophone. So the flute, the clarinet, and the saxophone. Those are 3 of your choices. We're going to continue our concert now and feature another instrument that we'll talk about in a minute. This song is called Jingle Bones. It features the trombones. give the trombones a big round of applause. So the trombones are a part of the family called the brass family. We'd like to show you those instruments now. If you're a trumpet, please stand up. Trumpet players, hold your trumpet up. All right? The trumpet is the highest instrument in the brass family. They're going to play for you now. French horns, hold your French horn up, please. These are former trumpet players that now play the French horn. You guys can stay seated while you play. Here we go. French horns and trumpets. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Very nice. Now we're back to the trombones. Trombones, if you'd stand up, please. Trombones. You just saw them in Jingle Bones. Their instrument has a slide instead of valves. Mr. Bentley, can we do a slide? Do what? Can we do a slide? Them. The trombones. The trombones are the only instrument that can do that. Trombones are going to play Deck the Halls for you now. Ready, trombones? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Hey, everybody take your right hand. Carefully do this. If you can do that, you can play the trombone. Awesome. Our last brass family instrument is the tubas. They're the big instruments on the left. The baritones in the back. Hold them up, baritones. Go ahead and stand up, baritones. All right, this is our tuba and our baritones. They are the bass instruments of our band. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. And that's the brass family. Those are other instruments that you can choose from next year. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the name of this song, but I know that you will know it. Mr. Bailey, when you're ready. Did you know that song? What was it? Frosty the Snowman. All right. All right. We have one last family to meet, and they are the people in the back. This is a percussion family. And if you play percussion, it's not just drums, it's all of the instruments that you've heard back there. You have to learn to play a lot of different instruments. They're moving to get set. Okay, percussion, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. And that's the percussion family. So we had the woodwinds, the flutes, the clarinets, and the saxophone. The brass is the trumpets, the trombone, and the tuba. And then percussion is in the back. If you think you might like to play one of those instruments, here's all you gotta do. On the back of your program, there's a list of those instruments. There's also a QR code, and 5th grade teachers, as soon as we get finished with this, I'm going to email you a link to a Google form. If you can post it in Canvas or however you do that, you can share it with your students. They can fill it out, and you don't have to send back the paper forms anymore. If your students want to do the paper forms, they can. Either way is fine, okay? But I'll send that to you as soon as we're done. If you would be interested in joining us, fill out the Google form, and we'll make sure, it doesn't matter which school you're going to, we'll make sure you're with us next year. After Christmas, we will come and visit you again and talk to you a little bit more about this. This is just to give us an idea of how many people might be interested, okay? We have one more song for you this morning, okay? And again, I'm not going to tell you the name. I bet you know it, and if you want to sing along, you can. Mr. Whitty. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience. If you're interested in joining our team and our family next year, please fill out the Google form. Teachers, as your buses pull around, I'll call your school and we can exit just like we came in. But while we're waiting for the buses to get back in the front, I think Mr. Bailey has a surprise for you.